Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Malaysia school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.ucsinternationalschool.edu.my/careers. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of UCS International School Malaysia. In this main page, careers available. In this career they are accepting application for the academic and administrative position listed below. Please submit your CV, recent photo and any other relevant documentation to Human Resource Department hr@ucsinternationalschool.edu.my. So what are the academic careers? Music and drama teacher, primary homeroom teacher, all subject teacher, DP coordinator, design and technology teacher, chemistry teacher. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV, photo, other document to hr@ucsinternationalschool.edu.my. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.isp.edu.my. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of International School at Park City. In this main page, one of the option career opportunities. If you click this link career opportunities, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies and what are the admin vacancies from in this page itself. So career opportunities, academic vacancies, principal August 2022, non-academic vacancies, general manager for operation. For example, if you are interested for non-academic message general manager for operation, you can click this link, you can get one PDF. Going to start January 2022. What are the minimum requirement? Personal skills and attribute, experience and knowledge. So qualification is relevant academic qualification to at least degree level. Remuneration package. Application process. The deadline of this application is 31st October 2021. So application should include your CV, maximum of 3 sides of A4, include your recent photograph, letter of application, maximum of 2 sides, contact detail of 3 referees. Application should be email career@isp.edu.my. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So what are the academic vacancies for principal? Appointment of principal for August 2022, the International School at Park City. Principal role description. Start date 1st August 2022. What are the responsibilities? Personal skills and attributes, experience, skills, qualification, bachelor degree by a recognized qualification in education, master degree or other higher qualification desirable. Remuneration package with the importance of the position and experience of the successful candidate will be offered, details of which will be discussed at the final interview. The closing date of application is 31st October 2021. Application should include CV, letter of application maximum of 3 pages, include a recent photograph, contact details of 3 referees. Application should be email careers@isb.edu.my. Interviews will take place online or in Kuala Lumpur. So if you want more details about the school, you can check it in the menu one by one. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.alysmith.edu.my/employment opportunities. If you enter in this URL, you can get this main page of Ally Smith employment opportunities. What are the primary campus vacancies? You can click this link. They are seeking to recruit the following position below. Click link for full details. So full-time counselor for January 2022. So closing date is Friday 15th October 2021. The teaching position for August 2022 primary class teacher, primary French teacher. Closing date is 25th October 2021. To apply for the above position, you must go through the test online system. For further enquiries, please email tsrecruitment@alysmith.edu.my. So secondary campus vacancies. They are seeking to recruit the following position below. Click link for full details. Full-time secondary school counselor for January 2022. Closing date is Friday 15th October 2021. So leadership position for secondary vice principal for learning and progression, secondary head of faculty and science and design technology, secondary head of department for music, head of department for physical education. So these are the leadership position. So teaching position for August 2022, biology teacher secondary, and the second teacher of French and Spanish, second teacher of geography, mathematics, music, physics and physical education. So these are the teaching position for August 2022. The closing date is Monday 25th October 2021. Before that you can submit your job application. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instruction. For example, if you are interested for secondary teaching portion of biology, you can click this link. You can get one PDF. The successful candidate will have undergraduate degree, recognized teaching qualification with 2 years post qualification experience and outstanding teacher of biology with excellent track record of teaching success in GCSE and A level, experience of teaching in the British curriculum and qualification, have excellent written and spoken English, willing to go the extra mile for all students both academically and pastorally. So these are the things that they are expecting from the candidate. If you wish to apply for this job, you must go through the test online system. Please ensure that your application and supporting statement clearly show how you meet the job description and the person specification for this role at Ali Smith. You should consider the supporting statement to be full letter of application. Please also upload a photo in PDF form in the supporting evidence section at the end of application. To be considered for this role, please fully complete all section of the application form. So what are the benefit include? Highly competitive salary, excellent medical insurance, contract renewal incentive, relocation flights and allowances, and free school places up to 3 dependent children. In case of any query, please contact the recruitment manager Alain Won via email tsrecruitment@alismith.edu.my. The closing date is Monday 25th October 2021. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. If you want more details about this vacancy, you can click this link and you can check all the details. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.